Welcome to BW Auto Car. We hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to show you a powerful and luxury SUV, the black Toyota Land Cruiser, and also explain what an automatic car wash is and how the complete wash process works. As the Land Cruiser approaches the car wash station entrance, the vehicle smoothly enters the fully automatic car wash machine. In this wash process, there is no manual work involved, everything is handled entirely by the machine. The vehicle is now perfectly positioned inside the wash system. The tires are secured in place, and the wheels are locked. This is where the complete automatic wash process begins. First, the vehicle is sprayed with high-pressure water to loosen dirt and dust stuck to the body. Watching water droplets flow over the black paint creates a very calming and satisfying visual. Next, the vehicle is covered with thick, high-quality foam. The shampoo reaches every part of the car, from the roof to the side mirrors and the hood. This is truly a full luxury car wash treatment. Now, the machine's soft rotating brushes come into action. These brushes are specially designed to keep the paint safe, ensuring the vehicle isn't damaged while providing a deep and smooth clean. After that, the car goes through a clean water rinse, washing away all the foam and shampoo from the body. At this stage, the Land Cruiser slowly starts to regain its original shine. In the final step, powerful air dryers remove all remaining water droplets, leaving the vehicle completely clean and dry. And now, here's the final look, a clean, shiny, and powerful black Toyota Land Cruiser. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the BW Autocar channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching BW Autocar.